Hi everyone, it's your girl Regina coming to you with another video. In today's video, I just want to show you guys the best mouse pads for sublimation that I found on Amazon so far. If this is your first time joining me, welcome to my channel. I shoot DIY videos as well as cruise tip videos every single week. So make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you will not miss out. I have sublimated different types of mouse pads off Amazon, and I happened to just order the Sublimation mouse pads, and these are the best mouse pads that's on Amazon. These mouse pads, they sublimate vibrant, nice, they're a nice size, and what I really love about them also is each one comes in their individual sheets. What I like to do with my mouse pads is I like to make a cup, and then I usually do a mouse pads to match, and I get a lot of orders for the cup and the mouse pad combination. Make sure you head over to my website, sidehustlequeencreations.com, and grab you one of my 20-ounce tumblers or my 20-ounce tumbler water bottles. I have over 50 designs. Your purchase will help my channel. But what you guys are here for today is you want to see just how well these ASUB mouse pads sublimate, and they sublimate great. I just had to share this with you guys. So what you're going to need for this project, and I will have everything in the description bar, is they come in a pack of 12. You want to go on Amazon, just click the link, it'll take you right to it, and you want to grab your pack of the ASUB Sublimation mouse pads. And the good thing about the mouse pads, they always sell. Now, I sell a lot of them at pop-up shops because everybody have a computer and everybody want their unique type mouse pads. I even do custom mouse pads with individuals pictures on it and stuff, so they're a great sale and they super easy to make. So the paper that I'm using for this project, I'm gonna do one with the koala paper and I'm gonna do the other one with the ASUB paper. I kind of use both of these sublimation sheets, and both of them work just fine. And for this project, I also printed out a teacher. I'm gonna do a teacher mouse pads because I got a pop-up shop coming up, and I'm gonna do a teacher's life mouse pad so we can get some color and everything going on. One of the things I also like about this mouse pad is they actually give you the size, the exact size of the mouse pad, which is 9.4 by 7.8. So I always, just print my images out just a little bit larger, just a couple of inches larger. So I do 9.8 by 8.2. So that just gives me a little bit of extra room to make sure that it sublimates all over. And of course, you're gonna need to have, I got my 15 by 15 already heating up, or this project can easily be done if you have the Cricut press. Just a little Cricut hand press will also work on this project. So I'm gonna bring the camera down and we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show you just how easy it is to tape your image onto your sublimation mouse pad. And then we're gonna head over to the heat press and press it, and we're gonna see just how great they come out. Okay, I am back, and as I promised, this is gonna go by so quick you won't believe it. So the first thing I do is I just take my mouse pad out of its little protector bag, and I save the bag so that I can slide the mouse pad back into it once it cools off. And it keeps it clean, so when you get ready to sell it, it's just nice and just presentable for sale. Okay, you can trim out your image if you want to, but you really don't have to. It's completely up to you. What I do is I just take my mouse pad and I lay it all the way over the image so that you don't want to see the image anymore. Just lay it completely over your image. And I just lift mine up just a little bit to make sure everything is in there. But of course, everything in there because you can't see the picture anymore. And then I take 2 pieces of my heat tape. And I put it onto the mouse pad. Just on both sides. That's all you have to do, just to keep it in place. When I put it onto the heat press, you want to put it face up. So the first picture right here is going to be done with the koala paper. So I'm going to just put it onto the heat press face up. I'm going to go ahead and lay the second one, and then we're going to go over to the heat press, and I'm going to show you guys. We're going to press it for 15 seconds, and then I'm going to show you exactly how it should be laid onto the heat press. Just, you know, I just want to make sure everybody understand the sheet needs to be face up. Because all the other mouse pads that I had bought from Amazon, they came, you know, they came out pretty good, but not as good as these. And again, like I said, it comes with the protective bag. Each one has its own bag, especially if you do resale, you do pop-up shops and things like that. It's just more cleaner when you ship it out. Again, I always do my image a little bit larger than the mouse pad. I put it completely in the middle. And this here type project is really good if you like a beginner, if you just now starting your sublimation business. Mouse pads are something that's really easy to do. And you can start like immediately once you get set up with sublimation, you know, making products that you can sell and make some money off of. So now both our mouse pads are ready. So we're going to go over to the heat press and we're going to go ahead and press it. Okay, I'm at my heat press. I have my heat press set at 400 degrees for 60 seconds. I'm going to press down this one, and then I'm going to press the other one. As you see, you have to have your paper should be face up. You want to lay it down. I use the parchment paper sheets that I got off Amazon. It's a lot easier. I can just pull one off and lay it right on top. Don't make the mistake like I did one time before and didn't do this process. And you can see the top of my heat press. But even though I melted some stuff on it, it's okay because my projects now are protected by the parchment paper. So we're going to do this twice. We're going to press this one, and then we're going to press the other one again at 400 degrees for 60 seconds. Okay, I am back, and we have pressed our images. And right quick, I just want to show y'all the parchment paper sheets that I use that I got off Amazon. They're real easy because I just snatch one off and keep going. They come 200 in a pack. These are really good to use. I love them. I don't have to tear, cut, or anything like that with those parchment sheets. So we're going to go ahead and reveal the first one. And let me tell y'all something. All the ink. Look at this mouse pad. This particular design was done with the koala paper. It's nice. These mouse pads, like I said, are the best mouse pads on Amazon. And all I do is slide them back into their individual sleeves, and they ready to go out and be sold to my customers. It's just nice, bright, vibrant. I know a lot of times when we go on Amazon, we just trial and error. You know, we pick different stuff. Some stuff sublimate good, some stuff don't. But I'm going to start showing y'all, because I done went through quite a few mouse pads on Amazon till I got to these. And these are the very best mouse pads so far, by far, on Amazon. You cannot beat the color and everything on this particular mouse pad. It is beautiful. Now we're going to look at the other one. And like I said, this was such a quick and easy project to do. Quick time, quick turnover, very cheap, very cost efficient. And like I said, everybody has computers. Everybody need a mouse pad. And this is the other one that I did using the A-sub paper. And look at that mouse pad. Look at the color. Look at the color on this mouse pad. You cannot beat these mouse pads. They're so nice. They're so pretty. They're so vibrant. The best mouse pads on Amazon. Thank you guys for watching another one of my videos. Here go another final look of the final process, the project that we just did. They all nice, packaged back up and ready to go. One of the things that I do is I just always put a little thank you and a QR code and a coupon in the back, you know, so that they can always know how to go to my website and purchase, with a little thank you for supporting the small business sticker. These are super easy, super fun to make. quick and easy. Thank you guys so much for supporting my channel. Thank you guys for watching another one of my videos. And I hope this quick and easy way to make mouse pads will be beneficial for your sublimation business. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next video.